Your choices about what cards to use with the Cricut Joy used to be limited to color and size. Now, with the announcement of the Cricut Joy Cutaway Cards and the available but unannounced Cricut Joy Foil Transfer Insert Cards, you have a lot more choices. But what's the difference between them? Which one do you need for the projects you want to do? My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, and I'm here to help you figure that out. Normally, I would like to have as many hands-on examples to show you as reasonably possible, but because of how recently some of these were released, I don't have them yet. They're not available in stores, and I wanted to get this out so that you know what works for you. I will be using images and other information from Cricut.com. If you are really new to the Cricut Joy and making cards with it, you might be wondering, what do these terms even mean? And just so we're all on the same page about what different things are included in the different sets, we're going to start by just briefly covering what the different terms are and what's included in just the standard insert box. This is how you'll find the packages when you are shopping in most of the major retailers. This is the finger paint sampler of the insert cards. This one came with 12 cards. It had the inserts and then envelopes. So what are those individual things? The card is a folded piece of cardstock that is designed to be drawn on, cut, or foiled on, or any combination. The insert is a separate contrasting piece of cardstock, commonly holographic, that goes into the cut card to cause your design to pop. They all come with a white envelope for each card. The cards are available in 3 different sizes. The most common one you'll find is standardly referred to as an A2 card. It is 4.25 by 5.5 inches. There's also the A1 or 4-bar card, which you'll see as the small insert card, and then the A6 or the large insert card. The Cricut card mat is specifically designed for the Cricut Joy. It has a little divider here that allows you to slide your card in so that the design can be cut on the front without cutting all the way through the back. The card mat has marks to show the different size options. Now that we've gone over the basics of it, let's dive in a little bit more detail. For the insert cards, there are more than 25 different packages available in a variety of colors and those 3 different sizes. While you can just draw on the cards, they're really designed to use the fine point blade as well to cut out the design so something can shine through with the insert. You can use the different Cricut Joy pens and markers. You can use the foil transfer tool. One of the restrictions with the insert cards is that you need to have the corners for your insert to slide into, and you need to use either stencil style fonts or you will lose the centers of your designs, like the centers of the O's in this Tough Cookie card. The E, because it's a stencil style, you can still tell more that it's an E and you didn't lose the center of that. Because these have been around for a while, there are more designs in Design Space that you can use as ready-to-make cards.
If you want to make an insert style card but not be restricted by the stencil style requirements, you're in luck. Cricut just announced the Cricut Joy Cutaway Cards. The unique feature about these cards is they're not limited by the insert corner and stencil style design. They have an adhesive liner that you adhere the backer to. The backer is similar to the insert from the other cards. It's the color that's going to show through where you cut your design. You're able to cut any design, then you'll weed the design to reveal the backer. Like with the standard insert cards, you can use pens, markers, and the foil transfer tool as part of your design. Right now, there's only a few pre-designed cutaway cards in Design Space. I'm sure they're going to be adding more. There is a project template already up that you can customize to help you with your sizing. The Cricut Joy app for iOS also has a quick start project for them already. The Android Cricut Joy app does not have the quick start yet, but the Cricut Help article has this tip to help you create your own template. To make it easier for you to find this information as well as everything else I'm referencing and links to buy these products, I've included them in the description below. Some of the links may be affiliate links, but this is not a sponsored video. As of the beginning of March 2022, the cards are only available in the A2 size and only online. I'm speculating that they're planning on adding at least the larger size, and these will probably be available in stores at some point. That brings us to the Cricut Joy Foil Transfer Insert Cards. Quite a mouthful. What makes these packages different is they include foil transfer sheets in the package instead of buying them separately. They're available in the standard A2 and the large A6 sizes. Since the other cards work with the foil transfer, these are useful if you like the color combinations included in the package. Otherwise, you can use foil purchased separately. The 4x6 foil transfer sheets, such as the sample packs, would do an excellent job on the cards. They won't cover your entire card front, but they'll cover most of it, and it's about half the price. You can also buy the foil in 12 by 12 sheets, and that reduces the cost even further, but you have fewer color options and you have to trim them down.
Another option is to create your own card blanks to use. This one is a sheet of red cardstock that I cut and scored, and then I just used a piece of white shimmer cardstock for the insert. You can also use packs of cards that you find in other places. The Cricut Joy has made it so quick and easy to customize cards instead of paying a few dollars for a generic card that may or may not say what you're really looking for. And now that you know the differences between the insert cards, the cutaway cards, and the foil transfer insert cards, you should be ready to go on and make cards for the people you care about in your life. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I make sure to go and respond to all the comments I get. That is also one way to earn another entry into my giveaway. Leave a comment on this video. It can be whether or not you've tried the insert cards, whether you'd like to see how to do the cutaway cards on the Maker and the Explore machines, or just another Cricut related question you have. If you want to see more Cricut Joy videos, go ahead and click on this playlist right here. And if you haven't already, please consider clicking subscribe and the bell icon so you're notified when I release new videos every week with occasional bonus videos. Subscribing is completely free for you and helps me out and helps other people find my content so that I can help them learn how to make as well. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.